So I'm Dan from Love the Drive, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to answer 15 questions that we get regularly from customers either by email or on our YouTube account. How do wind deflectors reduce the wind and noise? Basically what happens when you don't have your wind deflector up, I'm going to imagine this is gone, you drive down the highway and what you're doing is creating a vacuum inside the interior of your car. So the pressure outside your car and inside your car are different. The universe doesn't like vacuums, so the wind comes up, it basically gets pulled into the interior of your car. With a wind deflector up, basically what it does is obviously it deflects the air and it just reduces the amount of air that rushes in to your car. And the results are dramatic. Like you can have, if you're female or got long hair, your hair can be exploding. This one, your hair barely moves at all. What are the benefits of using a wind deflector? So I have a whole video on this, but I think the biggest benefit is just the idea that you get to drive your convertible in more comfort all year long. So that's the biggest benefit. 75% reduction in wind and noise, and just you get to drive with your convertible top down more days in more comfort. How do you install wind deflectors? We have over 40 products that we sell, and we have videos for each of them. So if you have a specific one you want to see the installation for, we actually have a video and a little installation guide. In general, our wind deflectors go in and out of your convertible in under 30 seconds. There's no modifications needed to your convertible, so basically it just goes in and out. This specific one's for a 2015 to 2023 Mustang, kind of attaches with 4 brackets and then 4 straps to hold it in place. Some of our European products, they basically have, if you actually look in the trim panels of European cars, they'll actually have little holes, and those holes are for bolts to slide into. So we slide the bolt in and then turn the handle to lock the bolt in place. So again, just go find the product you're interested, there'll be a video for you. So what do I need to do to my convertible for my wind deflector to fit? Nothing. That's pretty easy. We design our wind deflectors to go in and out of your convertible in under 30 seconds. There's no modifications to your convertible. They go in, they go out, and you couldn't tell the difference if it was in or out. So, simple answer, nothing. Do you provide us with free shipping both ways? As a matter of fact, we do. So we are sure you're going to love your wind deflector, and nobody wants to pay for shipping. So it is included in the price. So we will ship you your wind deflector for free. The price you see is the price you pay. And if for whatever reason you don't like it, you have a 90-day money-back guarantee. You put it back in the box. We will send you a FedEx label and have FedEx come pick that up from you. So kind of a risk-free trial, and we pay for shipping both ways. And we actually even give you a free storage bag. Everybody likes free. So free shipping, free storage bag. How fast is shipping? So we manufacture these in Vancouver, Canada. We have another warehouse in Blaine, Washington. So we have these in stock 99% of the time. So we do same day or next day shipping. And then it just depends on where you are relative to kind of the West Coast. So if you're kind of in Western US or Western Canada, it's 1 or 2 days. If you're in the middle, it's probably 3 or 4 days. If you're on the East Coast, it might be closer to 5 or 6 days. If you were the farthest away you could be, say you were in the Florida Keys, from Blaine, Washington to the Florida Keys, it might take you 7 days. So if you ordered on a Monday, you'd get it the following Monday. We have a tracking code for you. So basically we ship FedEx Ground. So we'll send you a tracking code so you'll know when it's going to be delivered. We also provide you with a free storage bag. So everybody likes free. So don't forget the free storage bag. Do you give away convertible top cleaning kits? And that's a yes and a no. So they don't come with your wind deflector, but we have a contest on our website. So if you go to the top right-hand side, there's one of the little menu things you'll see is contest. You can click on that, and you can win a convertible top cleaning kit from us. We give 1 or 2 kits away every month. Most of the time we give rag top ones like this away. The only thing you're going to have to know is whether you have a fabric top or a vinyl top. I actually have a video about that if you don't know. But yes, so we do give convertible top cleaning kits away. Another question is, what are wind deflectors made from? Wind deflectors are made from 4 main things. We have an aluminum tube. It's a 6063 aluminum tube that's extruded special for us, so the profile or the shape of it is custom to us. We paint it with a powder coating, so it's not actually paint, it's powder coated. The tubes are attached with pieces of plastic, so that kind of allows the wind deflector to fold down and go up. We then obviously have the mesh. So this is a high strength nylon mesh coated with UV protectors to help it not fade. And then we actually have a gasket that holds the mesh to the aluminum tubing. So there you go. And then obviously, depending on how it mounts, sometimes there's metal brackets that attach to the car, or there's barrel bolts and stuff like that. But those 4 main things: aluminum tubing, mesh, plastic, and then a T gasket that holds it all together. So how much do wind deflectors weigh? Wind deflectors weigh about 5 pounds. So they're really light. They go in and out of your car really easy. As I said in the previous one, they come with a free storage bag. But yeah, so about 5 pounds. Where are wind deflectors made? So we make our wind deflectors in Vancouver, Canada. It's actually a suburb. It's called Richmond, BC. But we have a 4,000 square foot warehouse where we design and manufacture our wind deflectors. So can wind deflectors be repaired? We design our wind deflector assuming that you're going to keep it for 10, 15, 20 years. We've had customers who've had our wind deflectors for more than 15 years, and things happen over that time period. So we have smokers who smoke cigars, and the ash will come into the mesh and burn a hole. Kitty cats will come along and scratch it. Sometimes we've had customers go to have their cars detailed, and the straps will get removed and then not replaced. So if you go to our website, again, kind of right by the contest site, you'll notice that there's actually a little section for parts, and we sell everything you'd need if there's ever a problem. And again, that's partly because we think you're going to keep your wind deflector for 5, 10, 15 years. We want to make sure that if there's the problem with them, that you can get parts that you need. Do wind deflectors reduce the noise? As a matter of fact, they're almost as effective at reducing the noise as they are the wind. So you can drive down the highway and talk to your passenger or listen to music, or just not have that loud rush of wind going by your ears. And so that's it. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to answer them. Remember, 90-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty. We are sure you'd love it, so feel free to give it a try. And if not, we'll take it back for free. Thank you very much.